I think it was my mother. Yeah, that's it. Or maybe it was my aunt.
Did they spend lots of time together, your mother and your aunt?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. My aunt lived at our house for a few years when I was growing up. My dad wasn't around much because, well, I already told you what happened with that.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, one of them said it's very important for me to remember who I am.
I see. And what can you glean from that advice now?
I don't know. I guess it means I shouldn't let other people define me. But that's easier said than done.
What makes it so hard?
My aunt! That's who it was. It was my aunt.
Good. Yeah. So what makes your aunt's advice difficult to implement?
I remember when she said it. I remember how she said it. But the sequence of events is kind of fuzzy. Everything is fuzzy from those days. It's like staring into a dirty mirror, you know?
Yeah, okay. So how did she say it?
With kindness. My father was there that day, and he said some kind of mean stuff. And after he left, she came to me, gave me a hug, and she said, "You are a child of God. Remember who you are."
That was a beautiful thing for her to say.
Yeah, it was. But sometimes it's easier to just believe whatever the world tells you, you know? Mentally ill, a lost cause.
Arnold, you're still suffering acutely from the symptoms of trauma, but you've already healed so much. Don't give up on yourself.
Thanks. She would have said something like that too. Yeah. She was always so hopeful.
Why don't you tell me more about your aunt?